You just have to wait here. Not telling you the name yet. You just have to wait for the
Ducks. It's called the William Street Swap Shop. It's called the William Street Swap Shop.
Wow. We want to welcome you to a very special episode of the William Street Swap Shop. It's Friday.
Taking the forms of wool blankets after that musical performance.
We'll be assuming the form of wool blankets for the entirety of the rest of the calendar year.
It's warm, cozy, soft. They don't bother anybody. That's kind of the type of thing I would like to be, is a nice warm blanket.
I want to thank you for watching. This is a box we received from Electro Betsy.
With a letter
And it's
to go
very
along with
beautiful. Yeah, let's read this. I'll read this first.
Okay.
The yarn is 80% acrylic, 20% wool. Machine washable and dryable. Use low temp for dry. You know, we should have read that
Okay, yeah.
one
Hold
first.
on. Dear Zach and Matt, just wanted so everyone can read along at home. Just wanted to show my appreciation for all the love and kindness you share with us on the William Street Swap Shop. I hand knit these scarves. Oh, we thought they were blankets. Scarves using a pattern. We should have read this first. Called Holding Hands, Feeding Ducks. It's a warm hug from Wisconsin to you both. I hope you enjoy them and have some cool weather to wear them in. Thank you for all you do. Much love, Betsy. Electro
Betsy in chat. Can we say that part together on 3? 1, 2, 3. Electro Betsy in chat.
And then behind it, attached, this is how you used to send old emails, letters. You would attach it by stapling it. So instead of having the paperclip attachment, it has this. This is a nice familiar look. Me in the dark.
Yeah.
Forgot to pay the power bill again. Here it is. Holding hands, feeding ducks. It's a whole actual method of hand knitting.
Oh my goodness.
Scarf.
Can we bring up the house lights? We'll get some detail on this grain.
Just do it by, there we go.
Ah, there we go.
Whew. I kind of liked it better when the lights were off.
Hey. How's it going?
Hi.
There we go. Well, first off, what in the world? What just happened? Sound of Ceres.
We're joined live.
We're joined live by them all day, and
We apologize for the delay
excited.
at the start.
We had a little bit of a fire drill, not the metaphor kind, but the real kind.
Also, if you collect, most people can prefer to collect vinyl, but also if you prefer to collect CD, they're on CD.
Zach, what's your favorite audio medium ever created?
Like
Besides,
WAV files, or
you can't say CD-ROM.
I'm a big fan of the Zune, this MP3 player. It's personal. You can collect it. It comes in different colors. You can take it with you on the go. I'm always on the go.
Did it play MP3s or did it play WMVs?
Waves. Smaller waves are actually bigger. MP3s are smaller, megabytes.
You've joined the William Street Swap Shop. It's a Friday. I got a text from Zach a few days ago. Hey man, should we just phone in Friday's show? And I wrote back the emoji that says this. And I said, no, we got to go big on Friday.
I was hoping my wool scarf had another message, but it's the same. 80% acrylic, 20% wool.
I like that she hand wrote the care instructions on both.
Oh, it came with a flashlight in the box. Oh, that's what we were using before we were opening up. There's also a letter in here we're not supposed to read on air.
I can wear this to the theater and critique the performances. Oh, not believable. I like you guys. You're great, but Act 1 wasn't working for me. Let's take it from the top. Which camera? Okay. Why don't you drop your keys off to the valet?
I don't have my keys.
And be
Here,
sort
I'll
of-
get my phone because we're not
be
allowed
sort
to
of a
look at our phone.
DICK about it.
No, I can't be. Not even in real. Remember, I tried to be one once.
Yeah.
Um,
Can I do it?
yeah,
I have
go
keys.
ahead.
Okay. Oh no, I don't have keys.
Yeah, I apologize.
It's a keyless entry.
Okay.
You know what?
Yeah,
It's fine. I'll park it myself.
we can do it.
No, I just, it's a Mercedes, so.
Oh. Well, my car, actually, true story, my car when I was growing up didn't have heat. So when I drove it to places, I would actually dress like this. So instead of trying to be a DICK, I'm trying to be, this is just how I was. I'd wear a big scarf. This would be perfect driving up through the winter time. I'd have to roll down the window because you couldn't defrost the ice to look outside.
And I'm not
the
saying
window.
DICKs wear scarves.
Oh.
It was just I'm excited to wear this. When I get in the cold weather of the winter, sometimes I'll stand outside for a while. Just look at the frozen earth and wonder what's my next move. And then I remember, I'll just get a scarf on.
That's right. We're being chilled by the sound of Ceres today. They're playing grooves and tunes that are chilling our bones and keeping us cool. That's a cool thing to say, right?
Yeah.
They're like, yeah. We're being chilled by them. We're cold, so we have to wear the scarves. It was all planned. We knew this when we got the package from Electro Betsy. She said, we're going to send you a scarf. I said, perfect, because we're going to be listening to chill music on Fridays. We're gonna do this every Friday.
When you're talking to musicians and you want to have some credibility, use the word grooves to describe songs as much as possible.
Sorry about that if I embarrassed you if you're watching this from Pitchfork. I'm sorry.
We want to welcome all the major music blogs today.
Right.
Pitchfork.
I can already see the music headline now. Pitchfork.
Brooklyn Vegan.
Yeah.
He's watching, I'm sure.
Yeah.
Stereo Gum.
Sound of Ceres does an absolute great performance, but we could have done without the 40 minutes of the two guys in the scarves talking off to the side like the Muppets characters in the balcony. That's kind of what we are today on the Swap Shop.
We want to do a little bit of swapping, sort of get back in the groove here.
Of course.
Why don't we look at one of today's items up for swaps, and then we're going to talk to the band a little bit.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. We should start the show off properly, though. It's the William Street Swap Shop.
I kind of like this look. We look like we're at Castle Black in Game of Thrones. My name is Zach.
I will not
What?
bend the knee, by the way.
I'll bend it. I'm a bendable person. You don't have much resistance from me. No, I don't like conflict. My name is Zach.
My name is Matt.
And
It's a deal.
It's a deal. In case you're watching, your first time viewing, we have to shake hands at the beginning of every show and at the end of every show, or else we are fined by the higher ups in the William Street Swap Shop. It's just part of the rules.
What's up for swap today? I spent all night awake wondering. Now I'm about to get the answer.
I like this, actually, the
anything.
scarf, because it hides my Adam's apple, so when you go up to people, and then you pull it down.
And then
Let me try it again.
And then they recoil.
They say, oh no, it's that guy again. I kind of look like the character from Despicable Me, the Minions movie.
Okay, so Rob has a Led Zeppelin wall tapestry.
There's a great band with some chill grooves.
I loved all their stuff. Californication's my favorite album. Zoso, that's the the sign for
A shoe company they started, right?
yeah. They had a shoe company offshoot. They just made high tops. Zoso. And then the middle one means when you hang out in the party, and at first it's all like it's a good mix of guys and girls, and then when it all turns dudes later, they use that symbol.
Which one is that? The three circles?
Yeah.
Oh.
When you hang the flag that represent how many of each gender are there, then when the party goes from a good mix, the right one, you switch the flag to all dudes.
And it kind of signifies to people who are showing up late to the party, like, oh gosh, I don't want to go to that now. Let's just leave. They have the three circles already flying. How great are these scarves? I'm already sweating from the heat that they bring back. It feels great.
The feather represents Robert Plant because people don't know this, but for the first 2 decades of this band's existence, he had avian flu. That's how he could hit the high notes.
So this is Led Zeppelin. It's a popular band. It looks like it's a flag or a wall tapestry to hang at your house. If you love music, it's something perfect that you could swap with Rob. It's a wall piece. Email us at williams.swap@gmail.com. Say, hey, I'd love to have that Led Zeppelin wall piece. We'll try and make it happen. All we can do is make the match. We send the swap to Rob, and Rob just says it's a deal. Or, sorry, no deal. No feelings should be hurt. Here's an interesting little
Talk one more. Yeah, we'll go over this park pass. Is this got credit on it? What do you use it for?
Looks like it's a discovery pass, but for Canada, all national parks of Canada. It's a Canadian park pass.
A deal that good can't really exist in real life. This is like a prop from some sort of fantasy movie, right? Or does Canada truly have a discovery pass that can be used at any national park? Are you Canadian? Is anyone watching from Canada? 413-961-4263. Is this real? Joshua, are you out there? Can you verify that this is a thing that actually exists? Can I get in a Banff with that?
What's the another national park? I was going to say, you bet your, and then I was going to say the park's name. You bet your Quebec.
Yeah.
Saskatchewan.
Quebec Glacier,
Yeah.
the Quebec Glacier Zone
Yeah.
Park.
You bet your Quebec Glacier Zone it can. That would be the commercial for the park pass. It can also rent all, if you take it to any Blockbuster that's still open in Canada, it rents all Canadian-made movies, or with movies with Canadian actors. This might be something that Sound of Ceres would want to swap for if they ever
Yeah.
go on tour up to Canada. Are there any tour dates coming up to Canada? No?
What do you guys think about how's the show going so far?
Yeah.
Okay. Should Zach change his shirt or anything? Does he seem natural? Is he believable? Is your mic live?
Maybe bundle your tassels
Oh.
inside. the
Put them
scarf.
where at? In my shirt?
No, bundle them out of the scarf.
Oh, I see.
Bundle them out.
What is that? Like, put them out?
I like
Yeah.
this.
Like
Can you
that.
give us?
Bundling out. You don't know bundle out?
No.
Bundle out.
Like that?
Yeah, that's good.
It's kind of like the voice of like your conscience. Can you be the voice of Zach's conscience real quick about?
Bundle out.
He's got 2 dates he
Bundle
lined up
out.
today, and he doesn't know how to.
Matt, you weren't supposed to say that. Is that bundled out?
Yeah, but like stick it like through the wool.
Oh, I see.
You know, like
Yeah.
the tassels. Make
see.
them like protrude.
Like that?
Stick them in the wool. Help them out. Stick 'em
Like
in.
like sew the wool?
Stick. Yeah. Sew
Oh,
the,
I see.
sew
I
the,
see.
Beautiful. Sew yourself.
This is an episode actually of Game of Thrones where he wears a bolo tie, Jon Snow has
Needle through.
There we go.
Yeah.
That looks nice.
And Zach, can you ask your
up.
conscience a question about what you should do in a tricky situation?
Yeah, actually I can ask you now. So, if you're okay with playing the game to be
Oh,
my
yeah.
conscious, I mean, there's a certain situation where a couple people like me, different people. A lot of people like me, but this is like, I think more like me in the sense that they want to maybe go on a date.
Oh.
Do you tell them like I want to go on all the date, like take it easy for a while and then like go hang out with everybody, or tell one person or tell them what is happening? I want to be honest, and
I think you should take as many people with you as you can
Okay.
when you go there.
Okay.
So ask anyone, but
Oh.
at least 10.
Okay. That's
They
good.
can all go with you. You can feel that all
Okay.
with them.
Okay. I'm supposed
There's
to go,
no limit.
I'm supposed to go visit my family this weekend, but I don't necessarily want to because there's been a lot of inter-family turmoil,
Yeah.
a lot of
Yeah.
drama, and should I go?
Yeah, I think you should go, but bring 10,
Bring 10
people
dates.
with
Okay.
you.
Okay.
and they'll kind of guide it. You
Okay.
won't have to speak very much.
Okay.
They'll guide it.
That would be good.
Yeah.
Yeah, if I had 10 people, I could just sit in the back.
Yeah.
That's great. Thank you for being the voice of
Nice.
my
Yeah.
my
Bundle
conscience,
out.
Karen.
Just
Bundle out, yeah.
Remember, bundle out.
Just hide them.
What about securing his financial future? Any advice for
I
that?
think I'm pretty
conscience?
good. I think I'm okay there. Pretty
He's
good credit
fine.
score.
He's-
Okay.
I know. I see it, and it's fine.
Hey,
It's
when you look
fine.
at someone like me, what do you think? My credit score? Yeah, it's through the roof. Right? Or we're gonna say something about you're doing a live score with us today.
Yeah, but
Karen
each time you ask somebody that, it goes down.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Oh yeah.
so
Every time
don't-
you ask about your credit score.
Whenever
don't.
you ask, it goes down, so it's
Okay.
gone down.
Oh.
Should we-
Aw, man.
I was gonna say my score is as good as the score from Moana, and that's a good score
Yeah.
for the movie motion picture.
Well, Zach's conscience. Would you guys like to play another song? We'll do our second song here, and then we'll come back and we'll get
Okay.
into
Move
some
around.
Sure.
extra stuff. We'll bring the lights back down. This is Sound of Ceres, everyone. We're very excited. I saw them live last year, and it was my favorite show of the year. I'm going to go ahead and say it. They're live tonight at 529 in Atlanta. If you're here, you're lucky.
Oh wow, East
You're
Atlanta
a lucky
Village.
duck.
It's a good
East
little
Atlanta
spot.
Village. Get there early.
It's a Friday night show. Where do you don't have to be up for anything tomorrow, probably. Come on down if you're watching this from a couple hours away. Birmingham, Chattanooga, Columbus, Georgia, Charlotte.
Even if you do, you can get they call it a virgin drink, where you don't have the alcohol in the drink.
Right.
Give me a gin and tonic, hold the gin.
Yep. And bring that park pass, because we have a lot of great parks here. Oh,
Here we
it's
go.
probably a good time for me to be quiet.
Well, thank you again. That was another amazing song from Sound of Ceres. They got a new album coming out.
Thank you
It's
so
called
much.
The Twin. Can't reveal. Don't take us behind the curtain. Here we go. We are okay. So the show's gonna go till 2:10. We just
We're going
breaking
till 2:10. If
news.
you're watching this and you're waiting to want to go till 2:10, can we do it for 10 more minutes? I
Just
think we can.
real quick. I'm sorry. I gotta call my personal assistant.
Yeah.
Trevor, go ahead and cancel my 2 o'clock appointment. The show's gonna go a little late today. Thanks so much. Yeah, I think they'll understand.
Why did you take the scarf off?
I got hot.
Yeah. I'm getting hot, but I'm committed to it. That would have been good if you had the scarf still on. Go ahead, cancel. I don't have any meetings at 2.
My
I don't have any more meetings after this. I could go till 4:10 if we wanted to.
Trevor, go ahead and also cancel my scarf buying appointment. Yeah, something came up and I'm okay now. Thanks. He's a good guy.
Yeah.
I have to cut him loose after this week. He doesn't know that yet.
This is The Twin, new album from Sound of Ceres. You just heard perform that magical track.
And if you guys remember last year, we played. They're the lead track on this album.
That's
We're
right.
awash in different vinyl options today. The new now soundtrack of Off the Air LP. Also readable that way.
We still have a couple of them, I believe we can swap out today if you're watching the show and you'd like to try and grab one.
And this is the giveaway in today's interactive game.
Oh, that's right.
We should roll right into
Okay,
that,
let's
shouldn't we?
jump into it.
We're calling it. We're going to get some help from Jacob from the band on this. This game is called Laser Roulette.
Laser
This
Roulette.
is Laser. Have you ever done an interactive live web laser game before?
No. First one.
Really?
I think we're writing the rules as we go.
Right.
And tell us your name to begin with.
My name is Jacob.
And do you handle all the lasering for the band?
Yeah, for the most part.
They look
Everyone
fantastic.
contributes, but I kind of conduct them live when we play.
And where do the lasers come from? Are they even real or are they an illusion?
Yeah, well, we found our lasers in a dumpster.
Mm.
Oh,
They
How about
originally come from China.
Okay.
we should have called this Chinese Laser Roulette.
Sure.
Okay.
If
That's the stakes are higher now.
So here's what we're gonna do today. You guys gotta pick a laser from the roulette, or you're gonna spin the wheel. Give us a call, 413-961-4263.
How many laser? 4 options? 4
4 lasers. 1 laser will blind us permanently. 2 lasers don't do anything, and the 4th laser gives us superhuman vision. So if
X-ray
you're the
vision, I can
caller
see far, yeah.
who picks the right laser, you've prepared 4 lasers, right?
Yes.
They're all identical looking, so we don't know which is which. Give us a call, 413-961-4263.
What happens
We'll spin the-
if they get it? If they call, how do they get the album? If they get the Laser Roulette, what's the right laser? The one that gives us superpowers.
The one that gives us superpowers.
Okay, that's how they win.
If you pick the one that blinds us, you have to pay for our medical bills. There's some
Okay.
skin in the game on that.
Yeah. I mean, health insurance only goes so much.
Just
You usually
kidding.
have to do like a $500 deductible or something like that.
Yeah. Does that sound like a good, as the first inaugural round of Laser Roulette, that sounds like a pretty fair deal?
Yeah.
You know what? I'm going to take
Okay.
back the part where you have to pay for our medical bills. if you
Okay,
blind
yeah.
us.
Just call in and help us with our supervision.
413-961-4263. We'll take our first caller, and you've prepared. Well, we'll get the Laser Roulette wheel ready to roll. But in the meantime, can I ask you, how does the laser work?
There's a little heater that heats up the ions and the photons.
Yeah.
They shoot out in a singular beam.
When did you realize with lasers that was what you wanted to be with Sound of Ceres? When was the marriage? When did that marriage
I've
occur?
always known that was what I would do, but really we only started doing it about a year ago.
Okay.
And can you describe the moment when the laser brought you the most happiness?
I feel like every night, every time we do our show, I really feel it, and I see them all shooting around.
Do you have a favorite color laser?
Yeah, I like when we can get the nice, just pure white, something
Okay.
like that.
Yeah.
Or I'd like to get like a beige laser, but we don't have
Oh.
that yet. They're really expensive because they're really specific color.
Yeah. I'm surprised beige lasers aren't a bigger deal.
It sounds cool. Beige. On Instagram, I go by Zach Beige because I love
Yeah.
that last name. Beige. Like, it
That's your
sounds-
last name?
No, it's white, but beige is more cooler than white.
Yeah, it was a little more subtle.
Yeah. But you said you wanted a white laser, so
I like both.
yeah.
You know, I'm going to volunteer. We'll get sort of a demo round going while they get the phone
Okay. Yeah.
lined up. And we're going to go ahead and spin the laser roulette wheel for the first time. And then you get the laser ready to shoot in my eye, and we'll see what happens to
Okay.
me.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Does that sound like a good idea?
Sounds good. Let's roll it.
All right, let's cut to the laser roulette wheel. Let's get you in just a little.
So once Matt, what number would you like to pick?
I guess
Or
can we
just tell us
stop
when
the
to stop
wheel?
it.
Let's go ahead and stop the wheel now.
Okay. Looks like we're on number 1.
Laser number one.
Laser number 1.
Do you have? Can you get that one ready?
Yep.
Okay.
Here it is.
Okay.
I would say computer load it, but you have your own computer, so you say what you need to. If you want to say, go ahead. Like any command to your laser.
And I'm just going to open my eyes real wide here. We're all set. We're ready to
Yeah,
go.
open them wide.
And Jacob's going to prep the laser.
Laser
Will I go
on.
blind? Will nothing happen, or will I have superpowers?
Oh wow. He's-
Ow! Oh God!
How does that feel?
Ah!
wow. Goodness.
No,
not
it's good though. It's a nice burn.
Are you?
That's
Are
so
you? Can you
bad.
still see? Okay.
Ah.
Your eyelashes look like they're falling off from it.
I like it. Keep it going. I like it though.
Steady hand.
I like it. I deserve it.
You deserve it.
And just a little bit more of a burn.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Let me see what happened. Wait,
Wow,
let me
your
just-
eyes actually are transparent.
Sorry, I
You
gotta-
can see through your eyes.
Ugh, I lost my contact during that.
Oh. You get it?
Yeah. I feel all right. I don't think anything happened on that.
Nothing. No laser hit. Okay. So
Yeah.
we know laser number 1. Wow.
One. All right.
Laser 1 is a non-lethal and non-superpower granting laser. But we still have 2, 3, and 4 for people to call in and choose.
Yeah.
Or actually, you don't get to choose. You just have to call and tell us to stop the wheel. It's a fun game. Don't you want to play laser roulette?
Yeah. Now that I think about it, there probably should have been a more interactive element than just saying when the wheel would stop. But that's okay.
Well, we can tell them to stop at a certain number. We can try and do that. We can try and rig it.
That's not fair to the audience.
No, that's true. You just call in and tell us when to stop. It's fun.
In the meantime, Zach got a tattoo this week,
Yeah.
and
did.
now he wants to get rid of one of his other ones.
Right.
Is that laser
Can I get a laser?
In
tattoo
outfield in
removal
the new.
grade?
Yeah.
We can give it a shot.
Okay.
413-961-4263.
I'm gonna take off
We
my
should-
scarf for this.
Yeah, where is it? Where's the...
So I have a tattoo I got on my shoulder. I got a tattoo of an email that someone who watches the show sent us an email that I got tattooed on my leg. I want to keep that, but I want to get rid. A long time ago, I had a friend do a tattoo on my shoulder, and I'd like to get rid of it. It's a peach for Georgia, where we
Yeah.
live, and it's right there.
Oh,
I'd like to get rid of that.
All right. Should we try it now?
Yeah, please.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't really know what will happen. I guess it will work.
Here we go. I guess I should kind of trace the...
Yeah, it doesn't feel bad at all.
Yeah. I think it's doing something.
Yeah. It looks like it's giving me more freckles.
I had this idea for a business where you put it right next to the tattoo shop, but it's a tattoo removal shop, but it's also kind of a cool place.
I think keep trying
Would like
it. And
good.
Then,
It does look a little faded.
yeah.
Yeah.
And then I think if we, I have an idea. Yeah.
Well, we'll give that some time to heal.
Yeah. Put it
And,
up, and then get a close up. I was gonna say get a close up, and then This isn't. It won't work. But then get a close up of my shoulder over here. But we're gonna pretend it's this one.
Oh yeah.
Oh, right.
And then I'll
Could
be
do
like,
a mirror. flip.
right. But it
should've
won't be
thought of
mirrored
that.
because then I'll say, look, you turned it into a Cocker Spaniel. I have another one. You turned my peach into a spaniel. I love Cocker Spaniels more than peaches, though, so I'm happy about it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Sorry we didn't work out as planned, but hey, we roll. We're a live interactive show. It happens.
Yeah. We should spin the laser roulette wheel one more time, and maybe
Try
it could be
me?
your turn
Okay,
to see if
yeah.
you get blind or get supervision.
Fair enough. This is going to be, they're going to remake Deer Hunter, and then they're going to have a scene at the end of it where it's just laser. They put lasers.
It's with lasers
instead of
instead.
Yeah.
It's a new reboot of Deer Hunter with lasers instead of, yeah.
Yeah. It makes sense. Okay, let's go ahead
spin
and
the
roll,
laser roulette wheel.
roll the wheel. I'll tell you when to stop, computer.
I think the phones aren't working.
Okay. Let's go ahead. Okay.
It'll be
Go
interesting
ahead
to
and
see if.
stop it now.
Oh,
Oh, what is that? What number is that? 4?
4.
Oh, that's number 4. Oh, goodness. This is one that's
Uh-oh.
not been done before.
let's see. We got laser 4 out.
Laser number 4.
Zach, you feel okay?
Yeah, go ahead and take
Oh.
off my glasses real quick, though. Hold on.
Yeah, take off your glasses.
Yeah.
I was thinking the glasses might.
Oh, okay.
Amplify.
I don't know. No, take them off.
Okay.
You don't want them to accidentally.
Huh. Huh.
It's kind of nice at first, then
Yeah.
it gets a little
It's like
hotter.
I'm at the Jeju, the spa. It's not too burning too bad right now.
Yeah.
Oh wait, this is laser number 4.
Yeah.
You know the funniest thing? I'm not feeling anything. I thought maybe I could see through the walls, but I'm not seeing it.
Huh.
I think this is also a non-lethal, non-super hour granting laser.
Okay.
Well, you know,
I also just don't want to. It's if someone calls in and picks it,
you might not know the effects immediately.
so maybe check later this evening.
Or yeah, or when you
Okay.
wake up in the morning.
I guess now would be now would be a good time for me to say, like, as an adult, like, don't aim lasers at your eyeballs at home.
Right? Yeah.
Yeah.
This is this is a show. Please don't do this. It won't give you superpowers. Any
Well, we'll
laser,
come back
I think, into your
I guess
eye.
that's a do nothing laser.
Well,
Well, Jacob, thank you for coming out here. I think we got a special
Oh, wait.
segment called "Show Us Your Shirts."
Wait.
Wait.
I can't see anything.
uh-oh.
Can we revert? Is there a laser that you have to
Oh,
reverse
no.
it? Can someone call in and is there another laser to
Is there,
reverse the?
is there an antidote?
I have the blue
Laser?
I have a blue
I thought it
laser
was- I
here
thought it was a
which
non-lethal-
will take it.
You came
Take-
prepared. You
take
really
it
do have
back.
He's got the
Okay.
antidote laser.
Okay. I think that was number 4 is the one that actually caused me to lose my vision.
Okay, so that was the blinding ray.
Yeah. Here
Luckily,
we go.
we've got the antidote laser.
This is great. I'm seeing better than I had before. I won't even need glasses.
This
for the
one
rest of
actually,
the show.
yeah, this gives you LASIK.
Yeah.
We should have performed a LASIK surgery.
This is good.
I wonder if I could get like an honorary license to do this.
I think after today on the William Street Swap Shop, we'll grant you an official.
We could do this
License.
at our concerts at the merch booth afterwards.
Yeah.
You'd be the only band out there performing LASIK at the merch booth. It's a good.
You did
good
it.
game.
Wow.
Oh, look at that.
I don't have superpowers, but I got my vision back.
Beautiful.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
All right, that was great. We might have you back on if we have more time to do the final lasering. But I think we should shift gears. Thank you, Jacob.
Thank you, Jacob.
We'll let you get ready for the next song. And what if we jump back into a swap shop segment called Show Us Your Shirts?
Yeah, let's do it.
We've been sending some shirts out to people. We've gotten a few exciting ones back to fill up the map. And basically, once I saw this email, I was about to lose my mind. Punched the window out of the glass of my car.
Shirts, show us your shirts. 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 We wanna show us your shirts. 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 Show us your shirts.
We got an international shirt.
Oh, wow, really?
I love it when these happen.
Okay.
Do we not have the map? Oh, we do have the map. Good.
Well, look at it. We're filling it up.
Way down south. Oh, you're going to have to go down here. My eyes are down down here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Shirts. Show us your shirts. Show us your shirts.
This is not to scale, but Benjamin in Santiago, Chile.
Oh, wow.
There it is. I recognize Chile off to the left
This
there.
is
Very skinny.
This is like a real,
country.
this is what Pangea, right? Pangea, that used to be when we used to all be one piece of land millions of years ago.
Yeah. Chile is slowly splitting off from South America and drifting back up towards North America.
They're going to re-sync to California.
Your shirts.
And then let's not forget about a little state
In the
beginning with
Midwest.
the letter O. You thought I was going to say Oregon?
Oklahoma?
Wrong again.
No?
Oklahoma? Nope. Orange County state? Nope. The great state of Idaho. We call it the Rust Belt, but that's a good thing. In Ohio, we got a shirt, a real legitimate shirt photo from Alexandra.
That's what I'm talking about.
Wow.
She's got a tude that just won't quit, and I love it. She's like, hey, it's the shirt, no big deal.
There it is.
Show us your shirts. Shirts.
West Virginia to her south, no cool people there apparently.
Kentucky. I think that's how the border works.
My new thing is gonna be being mean to West Virginia for no reason. No,
Well-
we love West Virginia, but send us a shirt. Send us yourself and your shirt there,
That's right.
or we can't be held responsible. Alexander, thank you for
Thank you,
your shirt,
Alexandra, and thank you,
Benjamin as well.
Santiago. That was nice. It's good to
Yeah.
see that there are people putting people on the map who are getting our shirts. I'm glad that I got my vision back. That would have been a good cliffhanger to end the season, the show. We could have had a season finale today and take off next week. Will Zach come back with the supervision?
We still don't know the long-term effects.
Right.
You guys know us because we make swaps and stuff, but did you know that Zach and I are rock collectors? Here's one. Can we get super tight?
What do they smell like?
This one is one of my favorites. It's called Barite Rose. It's barium sulfate. And this was mined from Norman, Cleveland, Ohio. If the band is up for it, we're going to ask them, would you like to do a live improvisational rock collection score? Can we do something like that?
Could work for that,
Okay.
I think.
We're going to drop out the house music. We're going to go through all our rocks and the sound of Ceres. It's an exclusive track. It's probably going to be only available here, right?
Right.
Just
Only available today.
okay, only available right now. It's only going to be played once. Can we promise this song will only be played once for this rock collection?
Yeah.
You heard it here. Sound of Ceres exclusive rock collection score. Zach, you want to talk about the next rock?
Sure. I'm holding a dolomite from the famous, you guessed it, Dolomites in northern Italy, southern Austria. But this dolomite migrated. It left for greener pastures near Yiso County, New Mexico.
And what do you like about that rock, Zach?
It's smooth. And I like the octagon shape. It's thin.
Rock of the earth, rock of my heart,
What am I holding in my hand?
rock of life.
It starts with a J, and it also ends with a J. It's jadeite J. Sodium aluminum silicate. Where did it come from? The American territory of Burma.
That's
The
an
man
American.
who mined it,
Oh, okay. Sorry.
On 2 fingers.
Could bench press over 250 pounds.
2 stones. Rock of stone. Eye of stone. Stone and eye. Stoned eyes.
Hey,
Stoned nose.
do you want to come over to my house and get stoned? No, not talking about that. I'm talking about this stone. It's a smoky quartz stone. Also known as just quartz, but it's smoky. You can see on the inside of it. That's what this
Shiny stone.
paper says. From Minas Gerais, Brazil. Portuguese smoky stone. It's the best. You take this stone, you won't be able to stand up.
In the Amazon, they had a name for that stone. It was the crystal devil. Those who touched it, they never knew why, but they stopped being able to smell spices.
Rock of the skies.
Oh, look at this friend. Didn't think we'd have one of these, did you?
What the heck is that?
It's iron sulfide, also known as purite or fool's gold. How many men went to their death in exploration for real gold, only to find out it was pyrite? The American West was in many ways settled with this rock, using this rock to build blacksmith buildings. The history books won't tell you that because it was embarrassing.
Zach, let's leave behind our jobs and go looking for gold. I would love to do that. Maybe we'll be rich, we'll be rich, we'll be rich, we'll be rich, we'll be rich. They can make a movie about us. We'll find all the gold. All I need is for you to sell everything you own and give me the money. And then we'll find rocks together. I'll cash in my 401k.
Hey, that worked out great.
Yeah, that's fantastic.
Can we license that track to Arby's now and make a bunch of money for ourselves?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
I was thinking we could license it to Ruby Mountain. I think it's North Georgia. It's a big tourist trap, as they call it.
Just got off the phone with Arby's. They're jazzed about this
It was
rock
that rock
song.
song. Oh no, it's the wait, this isn't the 12 hole. We're normally wrapping up at this time. If you're just now tuning in,
It's a very special 12 hole
it's 1:50, almost 2 p.m. We have just
because we're
10
going till
minutes.
10 after today.
2:10. We're getting paid. We get all get paid extra for this.
10 minutes of overtime.
That's time, double time and a half. So usually we play the 12 hole at 1:48 p.m. We're joined live by Sound of Ceres. They're performing at 529 tonight in East Atlanta. We can't wait to see them. And we're getting a front row seat right now here in the shop. We expanded the shop. We built a little wing just to put the band in it, and then we're gonna.
Yeah. Never done this before, but I can't wait to do it again.
Yeah. I like
It's
it.
the 12 hole. Today's real 12 hole feature will be a third and final performance by Sound of Ceres. They got a record coming out. Enough about all that.
When
We're gonna
does
enjoy
your record come out?
Comes out October 6th,
Okay.
like in a week or something.
Wow. Next Friday, they started to do music on Fridays. Now it used to be on Tuesdays, and now they do
Yeah.
Friday
It's
after.
the day now that people listen. They
Yeah.
found out people listen to music on Fridays.
So 1 week from today.
Yeah,
Wow.
7 days.
And this
Can
next
people buy it in their local record store as well as online?
Yeah,
And is there a web,
you can find it in the trash, just like we found our
the lasers?
equipment in the trash.
We're very lucky though. This one's number 245 of 500. It's a limited
Wow.
edition.
How about that?
We've been enjoying their music all day as well as their great personalities. They've been
That's right.
very fun to work with. And if you're in
Absolutely.
Atlanta, we hope you'll see them today or somewhere around the North American. This is a North
We're
American
going, We're going all
tour.
around. Just look it up look it up somewhere and you'll find all the places we're gonna see.
What?
We're going to Oregon Stop Pizza.
Oh wow. What's your most? Are you excited most about that, or what's your
Yeah,
favorite?
I think so. It's a man that plays a big organ while you eat pizza
Oh.
in Arizona. So.
Oh, I thought you were saying you were going to the best pizza in Oregon State.
No.
That makes sense, actually, though.
Yeah.
Yeah. In Arizona. Okay, that's great.
Yeah,
So you're going
yeah.
all over the country. So keep an eye out.
Would you mind? Can we tap back into Zach's conscience one last time?
Sure.
And this
I allow
time,
it. I give consent.
Zach, just think real hard about what you want for dinner and let your conscience guide you in the right direction
Okay.
for all 3 courses of what you'd like to eat.
Okay.
Vegetables, vegetables, carrots, peas, tomatoes. Oh, what fun it is to eat cabbage, corn, potato.
So cabbage, corn, potatoes, and carrots. Okay, that sounds great.
Living right,
Yeah.
healthy, and a little bit festive.
Okay.
I like it. That's a good conscience.
Thank you.
I think we should, without further ado, we should dim the lights and
Okay, let's do it.
take it away again.
It's the Sound of Ceres. They'll be playing live tonight at 529 in East Atlanta, and they're on tour, so check them out. round of applause to Sound of Ceres.
Thanks.
Thank you so much for joining us today.
This was a wonderful show. It's one of my favorite ones we've ever done. We want to thank Sound of Ceres again, and we want to thank you all for showing up this week. We hope you'll join us again next week. I can't guarantee anything that awesome happening again for a few months.
We'll try our best, though.
We love you. We'll see you next week. It's a deal.
It's a deal.